Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome Music Lab and jumping straight into Songmaker. This gets you a piano roll view that maps notes to grid time. Set tempo around 160 to 170 BPM and pick C minor to match the original tonality. Make the grid 16 steps per measure and 4/4 times so patterns align with the riff. This creates the rhythmic backbone. Once done, lock these settings and prepare to add the signature melody on the top octave. You now place the main Megalovania melody across the top 2 octaves, using short staccato notes so the melody punches through. This emulates the synth lead. Meanwhile, program a steady bass line on the lower octave with 8th note repetition to drive momentum. Duplicate the initial 4-bar phrase, then introduce melodic variations every 4th bar to create a hook and release effect. Make sure to balance velocities by spacing notes, because dense clusters will muddy the mix in Songmaker. Finish by arranging sections: intro, looped verse, and a louder chorus using duplicated blocks. Add percussion with kick on beats 1 and 3 and snare on 2 and 4 to lock the groove. Apply a touch of reverb and sustain to taste, but keep them subtle so clarity remains. Songmaker's effects are limited, so you must sculpt parts instead. If the mix sounds muddy, resolve clashes by shifting offending notes down an octave or thinning chords. This troubleshooting step preserves the melody's bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.